Welcome. Today, we're diving into a quick and easy guide on how to allow Roblox to access your microphone on your Android device. Whether you're chatting with friends or playing immersive games, having microphone access can enhance your experience. So, let's get started. First, grab your Android device and open the Settings app. You can usually find it on your home screen or in your app drawer. Once you're in the settings, scroll down and select Apps. This will take you to a list of all the applications installed on your device. Next, look for the Roblox icon and tap on it. This will open the app's information page where you can manage settings specific to Roblox. Now, find and tap on Permissions. This is where you'll see different permissions that Roblox requires to function properly. In the Permissions menu, look for the microphone option and tap on it. Here, you have a couple of choices. Finally, select Allow Only while using the app. This option means that Roblox will be able to access your microphone only when the app is actively in use, ensuring your privacy while still allowing for fun in-game communication. And there you have it. You've successfully allowed Roblox to access your microphone on your Android device. Now, you're all set to connect with friends and enhance your gaming experience. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Happy gaming!